Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. How are you today? It is Friday, March 4th, 2016. People, lots going on, but I really want to focus on this. We are seeing the greatest year, start to a year, with regard to precious metals in over 3 decades. Over 3 decades. And I think that says a lot. For those of you that follow my work or Greg Hunter, you will recall that in December, I had said on his show that this would be the year for gold and silver, and that has absolutely proven to be true. Gold and silver both are up over 20% this year already, respectively, and that is tremendous, absolutely tremendous. In a video that I did just yesterday, I spoke about how gold had made a significant move to the upside and has broken out above a particular pattern. Today, silver has followed. As a matter of fact, as I am doing this video blog, silver is up 3.5%, over 3.5% actually, and I made a new chart for you. I want to show this to you. What do you think of that? Interesting? This is our breakout here, people. Where am I? Whoops. There we go. Now, that's significant. What I expect is going to happen here is we could see a little bit of a pullback and then another significant move higher. We're going to see the same thing play out for gold. You know, if you follow my work all these years, you've heard me say what I'm about to say probably about 10,000 times, and I'm going to say it 10,001. Physical silver, in my professional opinion, is the most undervalued asset in the history of the world. I mean, I look at assets, all kinds of them, and I own all kinds of them. I own everything. I own real estate. I own metals, currencies. All. Okay, but I'm telling you, as in my opinion, again, of all of this, it is silver that is the most undervalued. Let's just look at the ratio of gold to silver at this particular time. Historically, this ratio is somewhere around 15-1 silver to gold. We are at 80-1, just about 80-1 silver to gold. So that should put a perspective on this for you as to the staggering potential gains held in holding physical silver at this time. Again, gold, in my opinion, is going to make a run much higher this year. Based on information I have right now, again, look, I always explain to you that this is a very fluid situation and things are changing all the time. But if you look at global debt and you look at how desperate world central banks are to keep this all propped up, their only alternative is to continue to inflate the debt. You need to be betting against that debt. And I've been saying this since day one. You bet against that debt by holding a hard asset. And the best way to do that is with precious metals. And the ultimate way is with this, physical silver. Although this is the paper derivative, again, you can get a picture as to where we're going if you just base it on these other things that I'm telling you. The ratio here of silver to gold is incredible with regard to its price. So I'm going to stick to that premise that silver is the most undervalued asset in the history of the world at this time, more than ever, honestly, because again of this ratio, and the potential here for gains is staggering. It really is. So I really wanted to bring that to light here. I think it's important to understand where things appear to be going. And again, I think we're just at the beginning cycle here. Again, we haven't witnessed a year like this in over 3 decades with regard to precious metals. So that says something. That absolutely says something. Look, the manipulation here can only go so far. We already understand there is frank criminal activity going on at the COMEX. And no one's talking about it. No one's doing anything about it. But the free market will prevail. It always does. Again, and I've gone over this concept again, a billion times. We do not have a free market in anything right now. It's all been stolen away by runaway central banks colluding with our policymakers to keep it propped up. And there lies the danger here, people. All of this is going to correct to fair market value at one point. Every single asset. Debt is an asset, okay. I don't particularly think debt is an asset. It can never be paid back, so we understand that. You need to be avoiding this, and there's going to be a time here, again, when the true value of debt is realized. Again, this whole system is predicated upon debt. The bond market is the largest market of them all, and everything is priced around it. So when it becomes real and people understand that the debt, again, is in a bubble, it can never be paid back, we're going to witness a historic event, and that is cash, again, fleeing the bond market in amounts that are going to be staggering as people run for the door. This is going to put enormous pressure on equities, again, at one particular time. Stocks is what I'm talking about here. And all that cash is going to simply move into real things like hard assets. And this is why you can understand, how you can understand where this is going to go moving forward. Again, this is all my opinion. This is based on years of research and studying all of these things. So you come up with your own perspective on all of this. Look, if you're interested in seeing this chart right here, this exact chart, I'm going to put this on my website, traderschoice.net. Go to my site, traderschoice.net, click on the equity list page, and then scroll down. You will see that chart, and just underneath it, you'll see another one which I did yesterday with regard to gold. Hope you have a look at it. I hope you share this video and get it out there and let people see what is what's occurring here. You're not going to see the mainstream financial channels cover this stuff. They won't do it. Again, could you imagine if the stock market was up 20% so far this year? They would be running around the office and broadcasting this from the toilet. But when it comes to precious metals, again, they won't do it. They won't do this. They won't allow people to see it, because then people would understand, hey, something is going on here. And it would change their focus away from this systemic, disgusting risk on environment that is being created by world central banks, period. And it's all going to come crashing down at one point, people. There's no doubt about it. Anyway, I hope this has been enlightening for you. Check out that chart on my site, traderschoice.net, equity list page. Scroll down. There's a link in the description of this video and in the comments section. Share this video. Let's get it out there, and I will see all of you very soon. Over now.